Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Whether this is your first time or you've been here before, I'm happy that you are here. So as you probably saw in the title, today we're going to be doing a lookbook a little bit differently than my other ones. I went to Goodwill a few weeks ago. I uploaded the vlog not too long ago, so if you saw that one, you would have seen the day that I went shopping and bought all of these items, kind of explained my ideas for all these items. And today we're actually going to be putting them on, seeing how they look, doing any cutting, sewing, gluing, and whatever else I need to do to make them look cute, and then have our little lookbook at the end of the video. So as you can probably tell, since I said try on, I actually didn't try on any of these before I bought them, or even after I bought them. I washed them though. Very important, because these are all from Goodwill, and there's also a couple of accessories I got from Plato's Closet. So just all things that other people have worn. So I washed them, and now they're all ready for us to try them on, see how they look, see what needs to be changed, do those changes, and then see how cute they come out afterwards. So let's go. Okay guys, so here's the first outfit. I got these like jogger pants situations, workout pants, sweatpants. I don't know what kind of pants these are, because they got like, they make that noise. So now you know what pants they are. They got striped down the bottom. Got this shirt to go with it because it's got similar colors happening. The pants are too short because these are for like boys pants, but they go up high enough that I think they could be pretty cute. They've got pockets, always a plus. So either I'd like to crop this shirt or wear a tank top. Haven't decided yet. Once I crop this, we'll see how that looks. And then the pants I want to have where they're tighter at the bottom, so like it looks like they're at the height on purpose and not because I bought a size too small. So there goes our first outfit. There's our plan. Let's try on the next one. Okay, next outfit, we have this jean skirt. Goes up pretty high. It's above my belly button, so high-waisted. It's got rips in it. It's got a slit in the back. Pretty good find at Goodwill. Pretty cute, pretty cute. And then I got this fuzzy sweater. Nice and fuzzy and soft. It says original on it, which I would prefer that it didn't, but you know, we can't be perfect. So I thought, again, we can crop the top of it. It would be pretty darn cute. And that's our second outfit. On to outfit number 3. Okay, and this is the last outfit. Got this like long sleeve sweater type shirt. Why did I get it even though it's basically summer? Because it's cute. You know, usually I go for cute first, comfort second. Don't judge me, right? And then my skirt, again, it's a high-waisted one. It's got stripes, very cute. Thinking, cut it. So then this part is loose, this part is tight, does balance, and the sweater won't be eating the whole outfit. Now on to cutting, sewing, more likely than sewing, gluing, and other things like that. It's so hot and I'm out of breath. Okay, so I found my hot glue gun. Can't find my glue sticks. Scissors. Okay. Sharpies, so I could mark out where I want to cut. Elastic stuff, but I can't find my sewing kit. So essentially I'm only halfway ready to do this, because if you haven't noticed, I mean, nothing's too different, but we moved and haven't put everything away yet because our old apartment had more storage than this one, so we're just trying to figure out where everything can go, should go, would go. So kind of makes everything a little bit harder, but it's okay. We're gonna keep on going and just hope for the best. So with our first outfit, I wanted to do something with the bottom, and that was pretty much it for like the pants. So an easy way to work the pants without having to sew anything is you can basically use like rubber bands or hair ties to like do some sort of special folding situation. And I don't know how to do it off like the top of my head, or you could just fold it to the rubber band. That could be pretty cute too. And then just fold it at the bottom so then it looks like it's intentionally short and not that I bought the wrong size. So there's that. It looks funny now, but once, you know, I'm wearing it, I can tweak it a bit to look how I want. Then with the shirt, I wanted to cut off some of it. How much of it? I don't know. We're just gonna wait. We're just gonna hope I can cut a straight line. And hope that I didn't cut it too short. All right, shirt is cut. Is it perfect? Probably not. But will you be able to tell when it's on? Hopefully not. Okay, on to the next. Again, I want to cut it. Hopefully cut it straight. Hopefully not cut it too short or too long. So there's gonna be pink stuff everywhere, but that's okay, because you know, fashion is about taking risks, making sure everyone knows where you are and apparently where you've been too, because just gonna leave a trail of pink fuzz everywhere. This, again, more cutting. My hand is red. Can you see that? I'm just cutting. So we're gonna try the clothes back on and see how they look now that I cut some stuff. Okay guys, so that was me. I mean, I showed you shopping before, so guess not shopping, but me showing you the clothes that I got, figuring out what I want to do to those clothes, actually cutting, and then showing you the outfits in lookbook form, kind of silly lookbook form, because you know, I mean, you saw it. So that was that. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys will watch the next one. And today is June 1st. Hopefully the video will go up also today. But if not, just letting you guys know my birthday is in June. If you didn't already know that, most of you probably do because you're all friends or family who watch my videos. But you know, as summer is starting, my birthday is coming up. The month of June is just gonna be me celebrating me, basically. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of different lookbooks and makeup ideas and vlogs and things like that. You'll see my birthday party. Going to a concert for my birthday. Probably gonna just hang out, chill, and get ready for my birthday, because I don't know if you can see, but my eyebrows are a mess. My nails need to be done, among other things. So you're gonna see all sorts of stuff happen for this month. And as my cousin said already, happy birthday month to me. So see you guys on later videos. Hopefully, if you want to like, that'd be amazing. If you're not already subscribed, we're like 3/4 of a way to 100. Yeah guys, so you want to join us and be like the original 100, because you know, we're hoping for even bigger later. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. And if you hear jingling, it's because there's a baby in here. Mwah. And he's so cute. I love him so much. You say hi to the camera? Look, the camera's over here. No, you're looking the wrong way. Baby, turn around. He's so smart. He listens to me. My mommy put you down now. Okay.